Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this one I will be showing you how you can get TikTok coins completely for free, guys. As you can see, this is how it all works. I should get 100,000 coins now and I didn't pay anything at all. So as you can see, my coins were just added. So if you are wondering how I did it, just keep watching, guys. So these last three apps is all that we are going to need for this tutorial, guys. So this is the app that gave me the coins, and I'm just going to show you how that works. So I'm just gonna open it up, and it's very simple, guys. It's just going to connect to your original TikTok account. It only takes a little bit, and once it's connected, then you can just choose how many coins you want, and that's it, guys. Isn't it simple? It really is. So I'm just gonna choose, and I'm just going to tap on this, and that's it, guys. Now you go back to your TikTok account, and your coins are going to be added exactly like mine. So now I'm going to show you guys how you get this app. But if you are on iOS device, guys, you need to do some few extra steps, but don't worry, it's pretty simple too. So just go to your settings, go to general, and go to background app refresh, guys. And once you are here, just make sure that it's turned on. So mine is already turned on. Now you need to go back, guys, and go to the battery settings and make sure that the low power mode is turned off. And that's it, we are done with the settings. If you want, there is one extra step for both iOS and Android devices, and that's it, that you can update your TikTok app just to make sure that it's up to date, but it's not necessary, guys. So now just go ahead and open your browser and type this site. It's twix.net. And that's pretty cool site, guys. There is a lot of other apps that I tried, but for now we are going to search for this one. It's Tik Plus, so I just see it here. If you can't see it, you can just search for it here like this, and it's gonna pop up. So now I'm just going to press install, and now it's just going to download onto my phone. But before it can actually be installed, there is gonna be one extra step, but don't worry, I will show you exactly what to do. It's only gonna take like a minute or two of your time, guys, so it's really worth it. So as I just said, there is this last step, and you basically need to verify your device version, guys. So just make sure that you read these instructions closely, and you need to complete 2 offers, guys, and then the app is automatically going to be installed on your home screen. It doesn't matter if it's iOS or Android device, it works exactly the same, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.